Hi, this is Miki. Today I will introduce our microneedling machine for you. Minas is designed for delivering RF energy directly to epidermis or dermis layer in order to stimulate and remodel collagen effectively by either RF microneedle mode or RF matrix mode. It's meant for removing wrinkles, skin tightening, pigment and acne treatment, skin rejuvenation, make the skin more smooth and lighten, and so on. Next, I will introduce the handles for you, with total 4 handles: invasive handle, non-invasive handle, cooling height, and negative polar. For the microneedle RF handle, no burn and no risk of side effects. It can reach better results by sufficient energy delivery, and it can easy to control the penetration depth. For the fractional RF handle, less pain, less downtime, no risk on sensitive skin, and it can reach immediate result and deep heat effect. Ice cold hammer compress can make the treatment more comfortable. The negative polar handle is used with the RF needle handle, which allows deeper penetration and better result. Next, I will show you the machine screen. Here you can choose some different languages. Here are 2 modes, microneedle RF mode and fractional RF mode. Let's see the first mode, microneedle RF mode. Here you can choose some different parameters such as intensity, interval time, active pulse, and depth. The depth is up to 3 mm. And here is the cooling height. This is the second mode, fractional RF mode. You also can change some parameters such as intensity, interval time, and active pulse. Here is a shoot count, and here is a cooling height. That's all for the machine detail. If you are interested in our machine, welcome to contact us.